How to get user's desktop path in Python independent of language install, Linux. I found several questions and answers to how do I find the path to the user's desktop, but in my mind they are all defunct, those I found at least. The reason is that if the user has an installation of Linux that is not English, he or she may well have the desktop somewhere other than in /desktop. For example, for Swedish, I believe it is in /scrivbord. And who knows where the user decided to place his or her desktop? For that reason the following won't do, or any variant of it. So the question is, on Linux, how do I, in Python, get the true path to the user's desktop without presupposing English default directory structure?
Instead of reading directly from the .config/user_dir file, you can call the xdg user_dir utility. This will work with any Linux distribution that has a dir which follow the freer desktop specification, which means KDE, GNOME, SVR and many more, exactly like the solution already posted by the op. Edit. Updated the subprocess.check_output since arguments need to be in a list. Also worth pointing out that you can change desktop to, for example, documents to get that folder.
Using it Joachim-Piler-Borg's link above, freerdesktop.org/wiki/software/xdg-user_dirs, I put together this code that should safely give the path to the user's desktop if it can be determined. It simply tries to parse the file where the user's directories should be specified, and if that fails it tries to use the English default. Finally, it verifies that the directory exists. I admit that the regex expressions could probably be improved, but I think it should be okay.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.